1. Mazda just pulled the brakes on over 12K Miatas from 2020 for 225. Traction control lights might ghost you mid-slide. That means if you're drifting too hard, your ride won't snitch, even when it should. 3. It's all thanks to buggy software in the DSC unit basically. Your Miata's digital co-pilot might nap on the job. 4. The fix. A trip to the dealer for a free software update, just don't expect it right away. 5. Mazda's rolling it out in waves, with full parts not landing until mid-2026, so keep it tight until then.